40% of millennials and Gen Z are buying an investment property compared to only 9% of baby boomers and 27% of Gen X. It's Friday, November 18th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Millennials are making me proud. Many are thinking outside the box to grow their wealth. They continue to live in their current location where they can't afford to buy yet. And instead of giving up on the idea of owning a home, they buy a home in a more affordable area with the intention of renting it out. Their goal is to generate passive income and diversify their assets. In addition to having a rental stream of income, they can have the property help grow their wealth over time. On the shore, inventory fell to 1,273 homes for sale, and 109 homes came to the market over the past week. 49 homes are coming soon. 53 went under contract, 97 properties went to pending, and 112 properties sold in 11 days at 99% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Oxford for $1,600,000. Rental inventory rose to 83 homes for lease at $1,990 per month. These have been on the market for 28 median days, which is rising. There's a lot of noise out there, so if you need clarification, I can provide you with the facts, data, and information to bring context to it for you. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for November 18th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.